If you panic just thinking about picking up the phone and making an appointment in German, then worry no more. Today I'm going to teach you easy phrases that you can use to navigate these situations with ease and confidence. And definitely stick around till the end of this video because I'm also going to show you a real life example of making an appointment at the hairdresser's. If we haven't met yet, hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Speak Fluent German. Ich heiße Salome and this channel is all about teaching you practical German so that you can navigate life in the German-speaking countries with ease and confidence. If you're excited for today's lesson, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my practical tips. Also, follow me on Instagram at SpeakFluentGerman if you haven't already because I post daily fun quizzes and useful phrases to help you boost your German skills. Alright, los geht's! Making a booking on the phone doesn't have to feel overwhelming and super complicated. You can absolutely master these situations by using these key phrases that I'm going to teach you today. First of all, we need to know the word for appointment, which is der Termin. Repeat after me. Der Termin. The next component that is important is the phrase I would like to have, which is ich hätte gern. Ich hätte gern. And that's basically all you need if you want to ask for an appointment. So let's put this phrase together. Ich hätte gern einen Termin. Ich hätte gern einen Termin. If you want to take it one step further, you can also use the word vereinbaren, which means to agree or to arrange something. Vereinbaren. So in order to say, I would like to arrange an appointment, you'd say, ich würde gern einen Termin vereinbaren. I would like to arrange an appointment. Okay, let's break this down. Ich würde gern einen Termin vereinbaren. Ein Termin changes to einen Termin here because of the accusative case. And if you don't know what that is or you are generally struggling with the cases in German, then my beginner's course might be a good fit for you. The link to get started with a free trial class is in the description box below. Alright, the next thing that you need to know are the numbers for the time and the weekdays in German. In Germany, it's very common to use the 24-hour clock, so make sure that you know the numbers accordingly. So these are the weekdays in German. Repeat after me. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Now, if you want to know if they have any appointment for a specific day and time, you can say this. Hätten Sie einen freien Termin am Uhr? Zum Beispiel, for example, hätten Sie einen freien Termin am Freitag 14 Uhr? Pay attention to using the correct prepositions here, alright? We use am with weekdays and with the time. So it's am Freitag and 14 Uhr. They will then answer something along the lines of either ja, das geht, which means yes, that works, or nein, das geht leider nicht. Unfortunately, that doesn't work. They could then suggest an alternative by asking, passt es Ihnen am Uhr? Zum Beispiel, passt es Ihnen am Donnerstag 15 Uhr? If that works for you, you can say ja, das geht or ja, das passt. Alright, that's all the phrases we need to know, so let's test this in real life. It's been quite a while since I had my last haircut, so I will make an appointment at the hairdressers right now. Let's see how this goes. Hallo, ich hätte gern einen Termin für nächste Woche Montag um 10 Uhr. Haben Sie da was frei?
Leider, Montagladen ist zu.
Ah, okay.
Dienstag.
Am Dienstag.
Ja,
Ginge,
Montagladen ist zu.
geht es am Dienstagnachmittag um 4?
Ja, wie viel Uhr?
Um 4 Uhr?
16 Uhr.
Ja, genau, um 16
Ja,
Uhr.
Ihr Name und was möchten Sie?
Kolb ist mein Name, also K-O-L-B.
K-O-L-W,
L-B.
ja?
Und ich hätte gerne die Spitzen geschnitten.
Gerne.
Genau.
Was schneiden? Föhn, mit Föhn?
Ja, mit Föhn gerne.
Föhnen, was schneiden? Föhn. Okay.
Gut,
10. Mai, Dienstag, 16 Uhr.
Okay, bis nächste Woche. Tschüss.
Bis nächste Woche. Tschüss.
Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below how you're doing with making bookings in German, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I'm taking you to the hairdressers and teaching you everything that you need to know in order to navigate this situation confidently. And in the meanwhile, if you want to learn more from me, definitely check out these two videos right here, and I'll see you again next week. Das ist alles für heute. That's it for today. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!